How to fix Instagram collaboration not working. If you're unable to collaborate with someone on Instagram, there are a few settings you should check. First, make sure both accounts follow each other. If either account is private, open Instagram, go to Profile, 3 lines, Account Privacy, and turn off the private account option. Make sure the account you're trying to collaborate with is also public. Next, check the Tags and Mentions settings. Go back and look for Tags and Mentions and open it. Make sure the person you're trying to collaborate with allows tags and mentions from you. If they have restricted tags or mentions, you may not be able to invite them as a collaborator. In that case, ask them to check and update their settings. If collaboration still isn't working, try closing and reopening Instagram. Then try creating the post or reel again, and check if the Invite Collaborator option appears. Keep in mind that Instagram's collaboration feature may not be available for every account or in every situation, and some features can vary depending on your account or region. And that's how you can fix Instagram collaboration not working. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.